Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make emergency candles with stuff that you have around the home. Number 1, shortening. Go ahead, pull the top off. Take a pen right through the middle all the way to the base. And then a small piece of rope. Go ahead and put that down there. Push that back in. Use leftover right there in the area that's just covering. Go ahead and trim that down so there's maybe only about a ½ inch exposed at most. And there you have it. Candle number 1. I highly recommend putting this in a plate or a bowl for safety's sake. Number 2. Take some rice, pour it into a bowl. Take a crayon, put it right in the middle of that rice, pack it around it to keep it vertical, and emergency candle number 2. All right, folks, so 2 examples of survival candles that do not take your eyes off these things. That's it. I'm Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Be a survivor, not a statistic.